Hello, Pinky artists! Today, let's draw something sweet and colorful. It's Christmas candy. These delicious treats come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors, from candy canes to gumdrops. Are you ready to add some holiday sweetness to our drawing? Let's go! Some Christmas candies are made to look like snowflakes, presents, or Christmas trees. If you could create your own candy design, what shape would it be? Wow, that's nice! What kind of wrapper would your Christmas candy have? Stripes, polka dots, or sparkles? Do you think Santa has a favorite candy? What do you think it might be? Cool! Our Christmas candy designs look super yummy already. Now let's make them even sweeter by adding some bright and cheerful colors. Have your preferred markers or crayons. Let's bring these tasty treats to life. Are you having fun drawing with us so far? I'm happy to draw with you too. What's the yummiest candy you've ever eaten? Let's imagine that flavor for our drawing. What other Christmas treats do you love? Cookies, chocolates, or marshmallows? Would you share your candy drawing with a friend? That was nice of you. Sharing is caring. That's nice. Look at our amazing Christmas candy drawing. It's so colorful and festive. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time.